Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can share your Notion pages. So the first thing that you have to do is go ahead and open your Notion and then open your page, one of your pages that you're going to be sharing to another person. Next to that is just click on the share button at the top right corner. So from here you just have to enter the person's name, the person's email, and then next to their email, you will see here the access. So the full access, the person can edit, suggest, comment, and share with others. For the can edit, they can just edit, suggest, and comment. And for can comments access, they can suggest and comment. And if you want them to just view the page, you can just set it to can view. So it depends on you. I'm just going to click on full access. Now there's two ways to share your page. You can just simply copy the link and then send it to the person that you're going to be sharing the page. While the other one, which is the first one, which is to input here the email. And the next is you just have to click on invite from here. So the person will receive an invitation on their email. So they just have to click on the link and then authorize the connection or the access to the page. So it's pretty quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!